This is the LEGO Fortnite Peely Bone build set. This is set number 77072 and comes in at 1,414 pieces, and the build rating is 18 plus. This is a more complicated build, definitely a more time-consuming build, but we are huge Fortnite fans, and we just had to get this. Peely is one of the most iconic characters in the franchise, and it's so neat to see kind of the bone version of him. And the kind of that split X-ray look is just, it's so cool. Now this build took quite a while. It was about a 3 to 4 hour build. It is rated 18 plus, but I had the assistance of my 16-year-old, and he was able to get it done reasonably easy. But you know, I will brag, he is very intelligent. He's good at building Legos. He's not new to it. So it is a more complicated build, but by all means, it's not undoable. It's really cool. It's really unique, and that's one of the things that drew us to this set. And you can see it a little bit on the legs and the intestines and just everything. It's just, they use some really unique pieces to give this really cool skeletal look that I've not seen in a lot of the builds before. And that's one of the things that really drew us to this one, outside of, obviously, we love Fortnite. And this is how it looks all put together. The thing is enormous. It is a beast. And it is just so much fun. You can see the little banana backpack. The banana's there. It's got a banana pickaxe, a banana launcher. It's spot on with Fortnite, with the build. And now you're going to see it in comparison with the Superman minifig right down there. That's how it looks all together. Love it.